Hello, friends! I am so happy you're here today. We have a wonderful story to share, a story called The Fox and the Jackal. It has a very special lesson for all of us. Are you ready? Let's settle in, get comfortable, and begin this very interesting story. Okay, so our story starts deep inside a big, beautiful green forest, and it's here that we're going to meet our two friends. You see, once upon a time, in this very forest, there lived a fox, and this fox was so clever. And he had a friend, a jackal, who was, well, quite simple. But they were the best of friends, and they did everything together. But, oh no, one day they had a big problem. Their tummies were going grumble, grumble, grumble. They were very, very hungry, and they looked everywhere, but they couldn't find even a little bit of food in the whole forest.
Now the jackal was getting worried, but the clever fox, he just thought for a moment, and ping, he had a brilliant idea. He told his friend, "Hey, let's go to the village. I'm sure we can find some yummy food there."
So off they went on their little adventure to the village. But you know what? This trip, well, it's going to lead to a little bit of trouble. At night, when it was all dark and quiet, they finally reached the village. And wow, what did they see? Right outside a house, there was so much delicious food. It looked like a party. The jackal was so happy. He started eating very fast, gobble, gobble, gobble. But the clever fox, he was being very careful. He whispered, "Shh, eat slowly, someone may come."
And guess what? The fox was right. Suddenly, creak, the door of the house opened, and the owner came right out.
The clever fox was quick. Zoom! He ran away and hid. But the poor jackal, his tummy was so full he was a little bit slow. He almost got caught, but he just managed to run away.
Okay, so the jackal is running away as fast as he can, and this is where something very, very strange happens. A surprising little accident. He was running so fast he wasn't looking where he was going. And, splash! He fell right into a big tub filled with bright blue color.
And when he came out, oh my goodness, his whole body was blue. From his nose all the way to his tail, he looked so strange, so very different.
Now, seeing himself all blue gave the jackal a bit of a tricky idea. He thought, maybe I can use this. Maybe I can become a new king in the forest. So when he walked back into the forest, all the other animals saw him. And they were so surprised. They had never, ever seen a blue animal before. They were even a little bit afraid of him. And that's when the jackal put his plan into action. He stood up tall and said in a very loud voice, "I am the king of the forest. God has sent me here to be your king." You know, the animals saw his strange blue color, and they heard his big, important words, and they believed him. So they all made him their king. But remember the clever fox? He knew the truth. He looked at this blue king and thought, wait a minute. So he came up with another one of his very clever plans. And what was his plan? It was so simple but so smart. The fox gathered everyone together and said, "Let's all howl for our new king." You see, the fox knew that a jackal just can't stop himself from howling. And it worked. When all the other animals started to howl, the jackal forgot he was supposed to be a king. He just started howling too. A big, loud howl, just like a normal jackal. And that was it. The moment he howled, everyone knew. And this is how the truth always comes out. All the animals realized what had happened. Hey, that's not a king. That's just a jackal. They were so angry for being tricked that they all chased him far, far away from the forest. And that brings us to the most important part of our story. What did we learn from all of this? Well, the moral of the story is, lies do not last long. And the truth always wins in the end. Isn't that a wonderful lesson? Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you'll subscribe for more moral stories.